Hi everyone, this is Clara, your Health Zen professional. It's so good to have you back. As promised, I'm sharing my go-to meals that help me lose belly fat and stay energized throughout the day. By following these meals, I saw results in only 2 weeks. While this video is focusing on the meals I'm eating, there is also other important little things I incorporated that help with cleansing the body and better absorption of the nutrients. So stay tuned for my next video, where I'm going to cover all those important factors. But for now, let's dive right into today's video by first focusing on the most important meal of the day, breakfast. For breakfast, I usually go for something that keeps me full and provides long-lasting energy. My top pick, oatmeal with fresh fruits. We're talking about a creamy, dreamy bowl of goodness. I add some plump, juicy berries like raspberries and blueberries for a touch of sweetness, some sliced banana for that creamy texture, and a sprinkle of chia seeds for a little bit of crunch and a whole lot of goodness. It's high in fiber, which is essential for digestion and keeping you feeling satisfied and bursting with antioxidants. But if I'm in the mood for something savory, I'll whip up some scrambled eggs with veggies. Just a little whisk, a hot pan, and you're in business. I like to add vibrant spinach, juicy tomatoes, and colorful bell peppers. This combo is packed with protein, vitamins, and those all-important healthy fats to kickstart my day. Lunchtime is all about balance. It's about keeping those energy levels high without that dreaded afternoon slump. I usually choose a lean protein like chicken breast, turkey, or fish, perhaps a beautiful piece of salmon or cod. Pair that with a generous serving of steamed vegetables, such as vibrant broccoli, tender zucchini, or sweet caramelized carrots. This meal is super nutritious and keeps my metabolism humming along beautifully. A little grilling, a little steaming, and you have yourself a feast fit for a queen or king. Dinner is often something light yet nourishing, a gentle way to end the day. My absolute favorite? A hearty vegetable soup. I load it with whatever veggies I have on hand, like crisp celery, earthy spinach, meaty mushrooms, and sometimes add a bit of lentils or beans for extra protein. Soups are great because they're incredibly filling without being heavy, and the warm broth, it's like a hug from the inside out, helping to curb those evening cravings. Now let's talk about snacks. Because let's face it, a little something in between meals can be utterly irresistible. But it's all about making smart choices, little indulgences that satisfy without derailing our efforts. Plain yogurt with a drizzle of honey or a scattering of chopped nuts is a particular favorite of mine. Or perhaps a banana or half an avocado, which are great sources of potassium and healthy fats. And if you're looking for something a little more substantial, a small handful of almonds or walnuts can work wonders. So, there you have it, a full day of simple, delicious meals that can help you lose belly fat. The focus here is on whole, nutrient-dense foods that fuel your body while keeping you in a calorie deficit. You deserve to feel your absolute best, both inside and out. Don't forget the no-nos. No bread or pasta, no sugar, no potatoes, and no processed food. Thanks for watching, dears, and don't forget, don't stress, be zen.